What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys is all about Clv Clover Finance, a highly requested video. Why? Because yes, it has been going up in value in the last 24 hours, nothing major. Obviously just 5% up, making it 39 cents, but a lot of people are curious whether it's a good time to buy, is it a good time to sell, should you wait for a dip, so on and so on. And as you can see, it has been dipping quite a bit. It has taken quite a major dip over the last couple of months, especially over here since 2022 started. It has been dipping quite a bit, so that's what I'm going to be going through today. Is it going to ever recover in the coming days, weeks, months, or is it going to keep dipping down in value, and whether Clv is a good investment for 2022. Can it give you a decent amount of return? But before I get into all of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So yes, it is the third day that the crypto market has been down. Obviously, as you can see, it's 2.48% down today. However, Clover Finance is in the top gainers list, so that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So obviously the chart on Coinbase, for some reason, for Clover Finance in specific, looks a little bit weird. Obviously on, if you go onto CoinMarketCap, it looks like a normal chart, but yeah, that's beside the point. It's all about the value and the percentage that we're going to be focusing on. So over the month we can see, over the week itself, we can see it has dropped a massive 11%, 11.11% over the last week, and over the month a massive 31% down. So nearly a third of its value has been wiped off in just a single month. We can see it was worth about 59, nearly hitting 60 cents, dropped back down, peaked all the way back up to about 64 cents on February the 10th, which was just over a week ago, and then dipped back down, and currently slowly starting to go back up, but we can clearly see that it hasn't even recovered a single bit yet. So scrolling down here, we can see that market cap at the moment is $104.4 million. The volume in the last 24 hours, $53.3 million. And we've got a massive 54% buy, meaning a lot more people are still investing into it, still buying it and stacking it up for the long run. Yes, it has dipped in value as well, so more and more people are investing, but we can also see a 46% sell, meaning a minority of the people are getting rid of their Clover Finance, and you're probably on a profit, but I have also had some DM saying I'm on a loss, should I just sell it, because it looks like it just keeps going in a negative direction, it looks like it keeps dipping, so I don't want to lose more money, should I panic sell it, and so on and so on. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see that the trading volume has gone up by 105% in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people are trading this crypto today, and obviously late yesterday as well, only because it has gone up in value. And more people are, it's getting a lot of attention, a lot more hype. Whenever you see a crypto in the top gainers list, people are always looking into it and trading it as well. So before I get into my prediction and my take on this crypto, I want to find out what your expectations and what your predictions are on Clover Finance. We can see that the highest value that it's ever been to was $42.25, and this was quite a while back. Let's have a look. So it was 2021, last year, around April time, when it hit its all-time high of $42.25, and obviously since then it has taken a major drop, going 99% down, guys. Obviously it's only worth 40 cents at the moment, and I am not expecting it to hit a new all-time high. Of course, if it does hit a new all-time high, it's going to have to go for a major price increase, which is nearly impossible for it to do that this year. But what are your predictions? Can it hit the dollar mark, $2, $3, $5? Whatever your predictions are, comment them down below. I want to find out how many of you guys are bullish on this crypto and how many of you guys are bearish on it. So let me know in the comment section down below, then I'll be reacting to them in my next Clover Finance update. So before I get into the price prediction, just one more thing, guys. 83.9% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel, which is quite disappointing, guys, meaning a lot of people are watching my videos but you're not subscribing to the channel. So please, guys, if you're watching this video but you're not subscribed, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that price target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, this is very important, guys, follow me on Instagram. And the only reason I say follow me on Instagram, not only does it give you a bonus entry, but all the exclusive giveaways and all the important updates will be announced there first. So whoever is on my Instagram will get a heads up, and then I'll obviously announce it on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get straight into it. At the bottom here, we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And of course, at the top, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how Clover Finance has been performing. And we also have this purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing Clover at 0.3978, but we can see it's currently trading at 0.3895, which is just slightly lower than the average value, which means it is underperforming, but it's nothing major. Of course, as you can see, it is just under that line, that purple line, which doesn't really make a huge difference. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line is looking bearish, going towards a negative direction, and so is the orange line. Of course, the blue line looks a little bit more clear because it looks a little bit more steep, so we can clearly tell that it is going in a negative direction. However, some people may think the orange line is going in a straight line. However, it is not, guys. It is going in a negative direction, meaning both lines are heading towards the bearish side, which means drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect a slight drop in value on Clover Finance. Again, it's nothing major. It's not like it's going to have a complete drop in value or anything like that. Of course, it's going to have its green candles, its peaks, and it's going to have its drops in value as well. It just means that the overall outcome over the coming hours looks like it is going to slightly drop in value than gain value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? A little bit more positive. Well, the blue line obviously is still looking bearish, going towards a negative direction. However, the orange line is looking bullish, going towards the positive side, meaning it is a mixed signal here, ups and downs, meaning it is going to fluctuate around the current price range between 37 to 39 cents. Sorry, 37 to 39 cents over the coming days. So mid next week, towards the end of next week, we should expect it to fluctuate at the current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Clover Finance. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So the blue line is going literally in a straight line, and so is the orange line. We can see it was heading towards a bullish direction, but it has flattened out right now, and they are both going literally flat out in a not positive or negative, but in a straight line, meaning this graph is telling us, or the indicator is telling us, that this more than likely is going to fluctuate at the current price range, just like what's been happening here. Again, we can see it dipping, going back up in value. So overall, more or less fluctuating. But however, I am expecting this crypto to have it to take more dips over the coming weeks. So mid-March to late March, we should expect it to slightly drop in value, heading towards the 35 to 30 cents mark. But any updates or any news that come across that could have a major impact on the value of on Clover Finance, either in a positive or negative way, I'm going to try and keep you guys updated as much as possible on this crypto. And again, if you guys have any preferences on how often you guys want Clover Finance updates, like once a week, twice a week, or whatever it may be, just comment down below and I'll try and upload according to how often you guys want Clover Finance updates. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on this crypto. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subs as soon as possible. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And I'll catch you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.